Assalamu alaikum. Today's message focuses on the heart of Islam, Salat, prayer. Let's explore its importance through the Prophet's, peace be upon him, words.
This powerful hadith highlights the foundational role of Salat. It's a pact, a direct connection with Allah, and neglecting it signifies a break from that connection. But the benefits go beyond the spiritual. Regular Salat brings discipline. The 5 daily prayers create a routine reminding us of our purpose. It offers peace. Focusing on prayer provides a refuge from daily anxieties. It teaches self-control. The postures and focus required during prayer instill discipline and humility. Imagine Salat as a wellspring. The more we draw from it, the richer our lives become. Even a short, sincere prayer holds immense value.
Let's make Salat a priority. May Allah grant us the strength to pray consistently and with devotion.
Jazakum Allahu Khairan. We hope this message inspired you. Consider learning proper prayer techniques or sharing this with loved ones. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.